Today we are discussing about computer. In this lesson we are talking about what is a computer, hardware and software, working of a computer, how does a computer work, characteristics of computer and uses of computer. Okay. So first, what is a computer? What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes instructions from us and gives the result after processing. A computer works very fast. It can do millions of tasks in a second. It can perform different day-to-day tasks like writing letters, doing calculations, making drawings, playing music, playing videos and many more. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes instructions from us and gives the result after processing. And a computer can perform many tasks. No? And this is desktop computer, laptop computer. These are the computers. Now, first we are talking about hardware and software. The computer system is categorized mainly into two parts, hardware and software. Hardware, all the physical parts attached to a computer are called hardware. You can touch or feel the hardware, mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, speakers, etc. are all examples of hardware. All the physical parts attached to a computer are called hardware. कंप्यूटर के साथ अटैच किया हुआ फिजिकल पार्ट्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? हार्डवेयर. विच आर दे? माउस, वेयर इज माउस? माउस, कीबोर्ड, मॉनिटर, printer and speakers. All these are hardware. We can touch these things. No? So all these are hardware. Now software. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to do a particular task. The programs like MS Windows, MS Paint, MS Word, etc. are examples of software. Okay. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to do a particular task. Software we cannot touch, that is software is instructions. Okay, the performs, okay, the programs like MS Windows, MS Paint, MS Word, etc. are examples of software. All these are examples of software. Which are the MS Windows, MS Paint and MS Word. All are examples of software. Now working of a computer, how the computer works. A computer is a machine that works very fast. A computer is a machine that works very fast, but it cannot work on its own. खुद को कुछ नहीं कर सकते वो. Some data has to be fed into it, है ना? We should give instructions, then only it will work. It will process the data and as a result and give relevant information. Now data. Data is a collection of raw unorganized facts and figures that includes words, numbers, sounds and images. Data is a collection of raw unorganized facts, instructions. For example, class 3, A, roll number, ये सब data से. Now information. The meaningful and organized form of data is called information. For example, Rahul is in class 3. He is in section A. Rahul's roll number is 8. His monthly fee is 5,000. Now Now you must have understood the difference between data and information. Data is only the words. Information is it has some meaningful sentences, meaningful words. Information is meaningful and data is unorganized words. Now, how does a computer work? The working of a computer is based on the following principle: input, process, output. Let us see the details. First one, when we feed data to a computer, it accepts the data as input through different input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. A computer works the principle with input, process, output. ये principle मतलब input, process, output. This is the principle of computer. Now, when we feed data into a computer, it accepts the data as input through the different input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner. These are the input devices. We are entering the data through these devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Then second, the computer processes this data and changes this into information with the help of processor called as CPU, Central Processing Unit. No, the computer processes this data and changes this into information. We are entering these data, some data into the computer through some devices, and then the computer processes this data and changes into this information into the with the help of processor, which is the processor CPU, Central Processing Unit. Now, after processing, the computer shows the final result as an output through different output devices like monitor, printer, speakers, etc. Input, process, output. Okay. Input, we are entering these numbers through keyboard. This is called data, and 6 plus 6 and CPU processing, and we are getting information, that is output 12. We can see the output in the monitor. We are entering the data through the keyboard, that is 6 plus 6 we are entering, and processing is taking place in CPU, that is information, and output, we are getting output 12. So friends, this is how computer works, and this is known as IPO cycle: input, process, output. We are putting two numbers and processing is going on and we are getting an output. So this cycle is called IPO: input, process, output. Characteristics of computer. A computer is a powerful and useful machine which has a very high processing speed. Computer is used in many different fields because of the characteristics it possesses. Let us have a look at some of these characteristics. First one, speed. A computer works very fast. Reliability and accuracy. A computer is very reliable. It does not make mistakes. Versatility. A computer can perform a variety of tasks efficiently. Then storage. A computer can store a large amount of data for your future use. And then multitasking. A computer can do many tasks at the same time. Then diligence. A computer can work for a long time without getting tired. Which are the characteristics of computer? Speed, reliability and accuracy, versatility, storage, multitasking, and diligence. Next, uses of computer. A computer can do many things. We can use computers for creating documents, playing games, performing calculations, buying and selling things online, learning new things, listening to music, watching movies and cartoons. These are the uses of computers. Now, self-evaluation. After reading the chapter, I know these points. I know that a computer is an electronic machine. I know that all the computer's physical parts are called hardware. I know that the set of instructions given to a computer to do work is called software. I know that a computer works on input process output principle. I know that the characteristics of a computer are speed, reliability, versatility, storage, multitasking and diligence. I know that a computer can be used in many tasks such as creating documents, learning, playing games, etc. These are the things we have learned in this lesson.